Hold on to your hats, health enthusiasts and stock market gurus. Novavax shares have just soared following a massive $1.2 billion deal with Sanofi. This landmark agreement centers on commercializing a combined COVID-19 and flu vaccine, potentially revolutionizing how we tackle these pervasive illnesses. Novavax receives an impressive $500 million upfront, with a further $700 million contingent on achieving specific development and regulatory milestones. This isn't just a financial windfall for Novavax, it's a strategic leap forward in the vaccine market. Dive deeper with me into this billion-dollar handshake that's shaking up the healthcare sector. Novavax Inc. has inked a licensing agreement with Sanofi that not only brings a hefty sum to the table, but also promises to revolutionize the way we approach vaccination against respiratory viruses. The deal includes an upfront payment of $500 million to Novavax, coupled with the potential for an additional $700 million based on achieving certain milestones. These milestones are critical and include targets related to the development of the vaccine and obtaining necessary regulatory approvals. The scope of this agreement is extensive. Sanofi gains the rights to commercialize this innovative vaccine globally, with a few exceptions. These exclusions pertain to specific regions where Novavax has pre-existing commitments. Essentially, this partnership allows Sanofi to manage the sales of Novavax's COVID-19 vaccine, integrating it with their own flu vaccine to create a powerful dual-action shot against both ailments. With such a substantial agreement, Novavax and Sanofi are set to redefine the landscape of vaccine development. What happens when two vaccine giants join forces? Let's find out. In an era where the flu and COVID-19 continue to challenge global health, Novavax and Sanofi have devised a strategy that could change the game. By combining their resources and expertise, these titans are poised to tackle these pervasive threats head-on. The strategic genius behind this partnership is clear. Novavax brings its innovative protein-based COVID-19 vaccine to the table, renowned for its robust immune response and favorable safety profile. On the other hand, Sanofi, with its long-standing prowess in flu vaccinations, introduces a depth of experience in vaccine distribution and global reach. Together, they are developing a combined vaccine. This isn't just about convenience, it's about enhancing efficacy. By merging a flu shot with a COVID-19 vaccine, they aim to offer broader protection through a single administration, simplifying logistics and potentially increasing vaccination rates worldwide. This partnership is more than a business deal. It's a concerted effort to enhance global health security. Looking beyond the numbers, what does this alliance mean for us all? The Novavax-Sanofi partnership marks a significant stride in global health initiatives, particularly in enhancing vaccine accessibility. By combining forces, these two giants are set to expand vaccine availability across the globe, potentially reaching underserved regions that are still grappling with the dual threats of influenza and COVID-19. For countries that have existing agreements with Novavax, the integration of Sanofi's robust distribution network can streamline processes, ensuring faster and more efficient vaccine delivery. This is crucial in combating the ever-evolving landscape of respiratory viruses, where timely vaccination can mean the difference between containment and outbreak. Looking to the future, this alliance could herald a new era in vaccine technology. With a focus on protein-based vaccines, Novavax and Sanofi are paving the way for alternatives to the mRNA vaccines that currently dominate the market. This could prove particularly pivotal in regions where cold chain logistics for mRNA vaccines pose a challenge. As we witness this historic collaboration, one can't help but feel hopeful about the innovative strides towards fighting respiratory viruses. As we wrap up today's exciting news, I turn to you, our viewers. What do you make of the Novavax-Sanofi deal? Does it strike you as a game changer in the vaccine industry? This partnership could redefine how we approach vaccinations against not just one, but multiple viruses. It's a bold move, and it's sure to stir quite a bit of discussion. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's chat about it. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful updates on such groundbreaking stories. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, every big news day brings us closer to tomorrow's solutions. Keep the conversation going, and see you in the next video.